Hello, bestie. Let's cook banga stew today. Yes, Obi normally used to help out in cooking the banga stew, but today I'm going to be the one to make it. Let's see how it goes. Here are my ingredients that I use in making my banga stew. Yes, because it's giving that flavor. It's going to bring out that flavor that I need inside my banga stew. I love using this ingredient that you see me displaying here. I love using them because it brings out that which I want in my stew. Look at our
See
stew now.
our offer.
Can
Thank
you
you for
see
thank you.
that? Very
You like send it inside
green,
yours. It's nice.
very
That's it.
what
You used to know.
now? Hey, I don't know I can
Right
eat
now. Very genius.
see banga stew.
Please bring your plate. Right. No, no.